atas anugerah, khususnya anugerah sehat pada kita semuanya, sehingga malam ini kita bisa berkumpul dengan keadaan yang sehat walafiat. Oke, nah berikutnya adalah terima kasih atas kehadiran Ibu dan Bapak sekalian pada acara hari ini. Yang baru pertama kali hadir dalam acara Jenes, mohon angkat tangannya. Oke, ya kurang lebih hampir 60%. Mudah-mudahan yang baru hadir akan mendapatkan sesuatu. Karena kami berada dalam industri kesehatan, paling tidak mudah-mudahan kesehatannya kita bisa dapatkan. Di samping itu, kalau kita baca berita-berita ekonomi tidak hanya di Indonesia, tetapi juga di dunia. Indonesia ekonominya melambat. Penjualan otomotif turun 40%. Penjualan properti turun 30%. Banyak perusahaan-perusahaan lain menyatakan penjualannya turun. For your info, Jenes Global Indonesia dibanding tahun yang lalu, kita tumbuh hampir 80%, hampir 2 kali lipat. Dan peluangnya bisa lebih besar lagi. Karena apa? Karena peluangnya besar sekali. Banyak orang yang ingin punya bisnis, tapi nggak punya produk, nggak punya sistem. Kami bisa tawarkan itu. Sering sekali orang banyak ingin punya bisnis, tidak tahu caranya. Nah, hari ini tadi jam 2 ada tokoh dari Amerika yang luar biasa. Dulunya pebisnis tradisional, namun karena dalam situasi siklus ekonomi yang kurang bagus, bisnisnya tidak langsung dinyatakan bangkrut, tapi luar biasa dalam waktu hanya 2 tahun bisa recover bahkan berlipat-lipat dari bisnis sebelumnya. Tadi siang beliau menyampaikan ke banyak kelompok keluarga Jenes. Nah, hari ini beliau juga akan menyampaikan pengalaman beliau dalam waktu yang pendek dengan Anda semuanya. Hari ini sangat spesial karena kita hadir diamond dari luar, kemudian juga ada eksekutif nomor 1 di Asia Pasifik dan Middle East. Saya ingin perkenalkan yang pertama adalah diamond dari Malaysia, yaitu Ibu Stephanie dan Ibu Jun dan Pak Chris. Oke. Kemudian ada juga Ruby Director dari Malaysia, Pak Brian. Oke, tepuk tangan. Dan kita juga ada banyak director dari Indonesia. Nanti akan diperkenalkan satu persatu. Kemudian ada diamond dari Indonesia, ada double diamond dari Indonesia, kemudian ada double diamond dari Amerika, Bapak Sam Shirley. Tepuk tangan untuk Pak Sam Shirley. Ini luar biasa. Nah, dalam waktu kurang lebih 20 menit ke depan, kami akan undang tokoh direct selling di Jenes yang beliau memimpin banyak negara dan pertumbuhannya juga luar biasa besar. Beliau akan mengupdate kita bisnis Jenes itu seperti apa. Beliau adalah Presiden Asia Pasifik dan Middle East. Kita nggak usah panjang lebar, kita berikan tepuk tangan, kita sambut dengan tepuk tangan dan sambil berdiri kepada Bapak Kanwar Butani.
Selamat malam.
Good evening.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
I'm delighted to be here, and I want to welcome all of you, first of all, to what I would call a great evening, and I appreciate the time you've taken to come here and hear about our company.
Pertama-tama saya ingin mengatakan menghargai waktu luang Anda telah hadir malam ini di acara yang luar biasa ini.
I've been in the industry for 33 years.
Saya ada di industri direct selling ini hampir 33 tahun.
So I started very young. I'm not that old. I started very young. I'm not that old.
Ya,
To translate that.
mulai dengan sangat usia muda.
And I will tell you, in my 33 years, I have yet to come across a company like Jeunesse that has been growing so well.
Dan boleh dikatakan selama 33 tahun karir saya sebelum pernah bertemu dengan perusahaan yang cepat pertumbuhannya seperti Jeunesse ini.
By being here today, you've made that first step towards your Jeunesse opportunity.
Dengan hadir malam ini, Anda telah membuka peluang pertama untuk di bisnis Jeunesse.
And I know it's not easy because traffic is known for here in Jakarta.
Dan mengerti tidak mudah untuk hadir karena lalu lintas di Jakarta cukup buruk.
It took me 2.5 hours to get here myself,
Saya sendiri perlu waktu 2,5 jam untuk bisa hadir di tempat ini.
but it was well worth coming here.
Tapi itu untuk layak untuk diperjuangkan.
So as we spend a few minutes today, I wanted to just share with you what Jeunesse is all about. Fair?
Saya ingin berbagi dengan Anda tentang Jeunesse malam ini.
That's why we call this Discover Jeunesse.
Saya panggil ini Discover Jeunesse atau menemukan Jeunesse.
Jeunesse pada tanggal 20 Agustus tahun 2015.
There we go. So that's me,
Itu saya,
not my brother.
bukan saudara saya.
And I share this with you because I want you to write down my name.
Dan saya ingin Anda menulis nama saya dengan benar.
Because when you start your Jeunesse career,
Karena jika Anda ingin memulai karir di Jeunesse ini,
if you need to get in touch with me,
jika Anda ingin berhubungan dengan saya,
you can.
Anda bisa.
We're a very family-oriented company.
Kami sangat berorientasi kekeluargaan.
And then the other thing also,
Dan hal lain adalah,
I know all of you are on Facebook.
dan saya tahu Anda semua luar biasa.
Facebook. He's the only one not on Facebook.
Right.
So, write down my name, connect with me on Facebook. Unfortunately, I have too many friends already, so you can follow me and you know what's going on.
Jadi catat nama saya dan bisa hubungi saya di Facebook.
You know, our business in Indonesia is really blossoming.
Indonesia saat ini sangat tumbuh dengan pesat.
Back in February of this year,
Februari tahun ini,
we hired a gentleman.
Kami meng-hire seorang pria
who I've known for many years and we've worked together before.
yang saya sudah kenal cukup lama dan bekerja sama.
I believe Indonesia has the potential to be one of the largest markets for Jeunesse.
Saya percaya Indonesia kelak akan menjadi salah satu pasar terbesar Jeunesse.
That's why I wanted to make sure I got the very best GM
Karena itu
here at
saya
Jeunesse in Indonesia.
ingin memastikan bahwa kita meng-hire orang yang paling tepat untuk posisi ini.
So I know you met him earlier, but I want him to please stand. This is Harry Otomo,
Inilah Pak Hari Utomo,
incredible leader.
Pemimpin yang luar biasa.
You know, he's the one who operates behind the scenes very quiet. Dia
sangat bekerja di belakang layar.
But spends most of his time in the field.
Tapi juga cukup selalu hadir di lapangan.
We've got a team as well here in Indonesia, in
Kami juga
Jakarta.
memiliki tim di Indonesia.
Isman and several others. This is the team that supports you.
Semua tim ada di sini malam ini.
Our office is in this building as well.
Kantor kita juga di sini.
So now you know who I am, you know who Harry is, you know who his staff is. Now if you don't like something we do, then I can tell you who to call.
Kini Anda kenal kami semua, tapi jika Anda tidak menyukai kami, bisa hubungi kami.
That's my boss.
Itu bos saya.
And I welcome you, because if you're not satisfied, I want you to be 100% satisfied with your Jeunesse career.
Kami ingin memastikan bahwa Anda 100% puas dengan Jeunesse.
Feel free to call him.
Silakan bebas menghubungi beliau.
I might not be working anymore, but that's okay.
Saya mungkin tidak bisa lagi, tapi it's okay.
But he is a very special individual. He's been the one who's been responsible for growing Jeunesse in over 120 countries today.
Tapi beliau sangat spesial dan beliaulah yang bertanggung jawab atas semua pertumbuhan Jeunesse di seluruh dunia.
He wishes he could be here with all of you.
Dia berharap bisa hadir malam ini di depan Anda semua.
But unfortunately, he's traveling in other parts of the world.
Tapi sayangnya dia lagi berjalan travel di bagian dunia yang lain.
So that's why he had to settle for me today.
Karena itu dia mengirim saya ke sini.
But he's got a special message for each of you.
Kita dengarkan pesan spesial dari beliau.
Louis, coming to you from headquarters here in Orlando, Florida. Congratulations to each and every one of you for being a part of this global movement, for being a part of Generation Young, and for just closing what was a record month for the company in June 2015 when we surpassed the $100 million milestone and finished the month at $120 million for the month of June. Not only that, we had over 116,000 new distributors join the Jeunesse family in June alone. We had 18 countries around the world all doing more than $1 million a month. And you can see the beauty of the diversification strategy of Jeunesse and this global platform that we've set up. Over 450 new sapphires, 40 new rubies, 10 new emerald directors, 13 new diamond directors, and 3 new double diamond directors. So I want to congratulate each and every one of you. What an exciting time to be a part of Jeunesse. Live on purpose, live with passion, and make today count. We love you all. One team, one family, one Jeunesse.
So he sends his best wishes to all of you. As we begin this evening, one of the things that's very near and dear to me is our diamonds. You know, I know they were introduced before, but I want them to stand once again because I want you to take a close look at these people. These are individuals just like you who started and had probably no vision. They got pulled into the business by someone, invited to the business. They set a vision, they set a goal, they set a dream, and today they're diamonds, or double diamonds, or triple diamonds. That's what they've done so very well. And each one of these individuals, you'll hear some of their stories tonight, has a different story. And you can relate to it. You know, some were in network marketing before. Some were never in network marketing. Some had no clue what they were doing, and then all of a sudden became a diamond. That was also fun.
Yes.
Sorry, I get excited about that. Sorry.
It's okay. That's fine. Oke, saya ingin memperkenalkan sekelompok grup yang spesial malam ini yang hadir, yaitu para Diamonds, yang pada malam ini akan berbagi pengalaman dengan Anda mengenai pengalaman mereka, mengenai background mereka yang awalnya tidak mengerti marketing plan, tidak mengerti tentang bisnis industri ini, tapi sekarang mereka telah menjadi seorang Diamonds yang luar biasa.
In fact, I'd like to invite all the Diamonds on stage right now.
Malah saya ingin mengundang mereka sekarang juga ke panggung, semua Diamonds.
These are the individuals, you know, whichever part of the world you go to, they are there 100% with the company. Each one of these individuals on the stage are making over $1 million.
Oke, semua individu di hadapan Anda adalah orang-orang luar biasa dan mereka berpenghasilan lebih dari $1 juta.
And in fact, $1 million is just putting it lightly. They're making $2 million, and there's many on the stage as well who are making over $4 million.
$1 million malah sangat minimum, mungkin malah 2 sampai 4 million dollars.
And I share this with you because you too have that opportunity.
Dan Anda pun memiliki kesempatan untuk itu juga.
So let me just introduce them very quickly because I take a lot of pride in them as he comes on stage. Come on.
Saya akan memperkenalkan mereka satu persatu.
So this is Jun Chen. She's from Malaysia, one of our new diamonds. Chris and Stephanie Go from Malaysia. Ivan from Indonesia. I'll forget these two people for now. This is Trisulo from Indonesia. And this is my good friend, also from Indonesia. I do want to share with you, he gave a very passionate speech when he became Diamond. Very emotional. It brought everyone to tears. And this is Steve from Indonesia. And then we have a double diamond here in Indonesia. So this is just to share with you the success of the market. A double diamond who has really worked tirelessly and grown this business, has great mentors along the way, and that's Jenny. And when I joined this company, a little over a year ago, one of the first diamonds I met was this individual. Sorry, you meant to be translated.
Yes. Dan berikut ini adalah pada saat saya bergabung, beliau adalah diamond pertama yang saya jumpa.
And this individual is not only very humble,
Dan gentleman ini bukan hanya rendah hati,
but always wants to make sure he goes to different markets to help the teams.
tapi juga ingin memastikan bahwa dia mengunjungi setiap market untuk membantu mereka.
Whenever I travel around, which is every month,
Setiap saya travel setiap bulan,
he's in many of those countries.
dia ada di negara-negara itu.
He's based in the U.S., and that's Double Diamond Samson.
Ada di Amerika, Double Diamond Samson ini.
So here they are, our diamonds and double diamonds. Let's give them a big round of applause as they return to the
Ya, para diamond kita, beri tepuk tangan yang luar biasa pada mereka.
So how many of you came here today because you wanted to know about Jeunesse?
Berapa banyak dari Bapak Ibu yang hadir malam itu ingin mengetahui lebih banyak tentang Jeunesse?
No one? How many of you came here today because you were forced by someone?
Berapa banyak dari kalian Bapak Ibu yang datang karena dipaksa untuk datang?
How many of you came here today because you had nothing better to do and you wanted to go through traffic and come here?
Berapa banyak dari Bapak Ibu yang hadir karena terpaksa tidak ada pilihan daripada terjebak di tengah kemacetan?
How many of you don't know why you're here?
Berapa banyak dari Bapak Ibu yang malah tidak tahu mungkin kenapa ada di sini?
Well, I'm hoping by the time the evening's over, all that will be clear.
Saya harap Anda semua mendapatkan yang Anda cari di acara ini malam ini.
I ask you one question.
Saya ingin bertanya satu hal.
What business do you think Jeunesse is in?
Menurut pendapat Anda, Jeunesse itu ada di bisnis apa?
Anyone shout out. What business are we in?
Jeunesse ada di bisnis apa untuk Bapak Ibu?
Don't be shy.
Jangan malu-malu, jangan ragu-ragu. Kita ada di bisnis apa, Jeunesse?
E-commerce.
Online.
E-commerce. E-commerce.
E-commerce. Direct selling. MLM. Networking.
Anti-aging.
Huh?
Anti-aging.
Anti-aging. We're all getting older. Translate. Translate. We're all getting older.
Kita semua tumbuh tua, menua.
You're all wrong.
Anda semua salah.
We are in the business of helping people.
Kita ada di bisnis untuk menolong orang-orang.
That's what we're in the business first.
Itulah bisnis kita yang pertama.
We want to make sure that in Indonesia, we help create more millionaires than there are today.
Kita pastikan bahwa kita membantu semua orang Indonesia lebih baik dari sekarang ini, di hari ini.
Everyone's a millionaire here anyway, but I'm talking in dollars. Everyone is a millionaire here anyway, but I'm talking in dollars.
Semua orang adalah jutawan, tapi saya bicara mengenai dolar Amerika.
So when people ask me what do, I say I'm in the business of hope and opportunity.
Ketika orang bertanya di mana apakah bisnis kita, saya bilang bahwa kita ada di bisnis harapan dan peluang, hope dan opportunity.
That's what our company does so very well.
Disitulah perusahaan ini berfungsi dengan baik.
You know, I'm proudly standing up here. Every single diamond that's sitting here in the audience, every single diamond that sits in the audience,
Semua diamond hidup di depan Anda semua
makes more money than I do.
membuat lebih banyak uang dari saya sendiri.
And that is the sign of a successful company.
Dan itulah tanda-tanda sukses dari sebuah perusahaan.
Because when we give our field the opportunity and the compensation plan. That's what creates success in this company.
Karena kalau kita bicara mengenai kompensasi plan, itulah kesuksesan company ini.
Now, it also helps
Kita juga membantu
to be catching a perfect wave, to catch a perfect wave.
untuk menangkap peluang yang datang.
Everywhere all over the world, people are getting older.
Setiap orang di dunia ini mereka tumbuh menua.
So why not take advantage of that?
Mengapa kita tidak mengambil keuntungan dari situ?
People are getting older and they want to look younger.
Orang semakin tua tapi mereka ingin kelihatan lebih muda.
So Jeunesse has that answer.
Dan Jeunesse memiliki jawaban itu.
In fact, we have what I call a system.
Bahkan kami memiliki sebuah sistem.
I'm not going to go through all the details because I love it so much I could be talking for hours.
Saya tidak akan bicara detail karena saya bisa bicara berjam-jam.
But all I can say to you
Tapi satu hal yang saya bisa katakan kepada Bapak Ibu
is the product works better than the claims that are made.
bahwa produk kami benar-benar bekerja dengan luar biasa.
We have a product called Ageless.
Kita memiliki Ageless.
Within 90 seconds,
Dalam waktu 90 detik,
I can take the eye bags out.
saya bisa menghilangkan kerutan di bawah mata.
That's proof of how successful our product portfolio
Dan
is.
itulah bukti mengapa produk kami benar-benar bekerja.
We believe when we look at aging and anti-aging, we work from the inside out and the outside in.
Kami percaya bahwa dalam proses anti penuaan ini kita bekerja dari luar dan dari dalam.
So as you go through our system, that's what the products do.
Karena itu jika kita bicara mengenai sistem, itulah caranya produk bekerja.
And it's very simple. We only have 12 products.
Dan itu sangat sederhana.
And as we go forward, we'll introduce more products.
Dan kami akan meluncurkan lebih banyak produk lagi.
I'm hoping one day they have a product for hair loss.
Saya ingin suatu waktu kami menemukan produk buat anti kerontokan rambut.
Because as we get older, we lose hair.
Karena semakin kita tua, kita juga banyak kehilangan rambut.
I went into the doctor's office one day,
Saya pergi ke kantor dokter suatu hari.
and the doctor said, "What are you here for?"
Dan dokter bertanya kenapa di sini.
They looked at me. I said, "Hair loss."
Saya bilang rambut saya banyak yang rontok.
And they said, "Okay." They started laughing first,
Mereka tertawa awalnya.
but we have the solutions to everything you need from an anti-aging standpoint.
Tapi kami punya solusi untuk masalah itu.
So product is solid. Diamonds are making a lot of money. Company is growing.
Jadi produknya luar biasa, para diamond menghasilkan banyak uang dan perusahaan juga tumbuh sangat besar.
In fact, we are the fastest growing company in MLM today.
Dan kami adalah perusahaan yang melanjutkan pertumbuhan tercepat di dunia hari ini.
We're only 6 years old.
Kami hanya baru 6 tahun usianya.
6 years.
Baru 6 tahun.
And we're in 121 countries.
Tapi kami sudah ada di 121 negara.
And I manage, you can clap, don't worry.
Akan tepuk tangan.
I manage Asia Pacific and the Middle East.
Saya mengelola kawasan Asia Pasifik dan Timur Tengah.
And I wouldn't have it any other way because I love the people of this region.
Dan saya tidak ingin melakukan yang lain karena saya sangat mencintai orang-orang di area saya ini.
In fact, many of you probably don't know this.
Mungkin Anda tidak perhatikan.
My brother lives in Indonesia.
Kakak saya ada di Indonesia
He
bekerja.
lives in Dharma Wangsa.
Dia ada di Dharma Wangsa, apartemen.
And, my sister-in-law was so excited about Jeunesse that she wanted to come and hear the story herself. So she's sitting in the audience right here.
Dan ada yang saya juga tertarik, maka dia hadir malam ini di depan.
So, 121 countries.
Jadi 121 negara.
And then we have global offices in most of the countries around the world.
Dan kami mempunyai kantor di banyak negara.
In fact, over the last year, we've had to expand our offices.
Bahkan tahun lalu kami memperluas kantor kami.
Because our company's been growing so fast, every office becomes so small.
Karena bertumbuh sangat pesat sehingga kantor terasa sangat sempit.
In fact, before Harry came to Indonesia and took over Jeunesse Indonesia,
Bahkan sebelum Pak Hari datang mengambil alih kantor Indonesia,
we would have problems filling a room like this.
kita mempunyai masalah yang sama.
And today, we have no problem filling a room like this.
Dan tapi hari ini kami tidak memiliki lagi masalah itu.
Let me tell you a little bit about the company's performance.
Saya akan berbagi sedikit mengenai pertumbuhan perusahaan.
Our company started on September 9th
Dimulai dari September 9
at 9 p.m.
jam 9
At 9 p.m. September 9th at 9 p.m.
tanggal 9 September jam 9.
And our first year,
Dan tahun pertama kami,
so we started in September, October, November, December, and the full following year, we did 30 million in sales.
dan di tahun pertama kami telah menghasilkan penjualan 30 juta dolar.
Not bad for a new startup company.
Tidak terlalu buruk untuk perusahaan yang baru buka.
But look what happened. 2011, we doubled the business.
Tapi di tahun berikutnya kami double, 2 kali lipat.
And then what happened?
Ya, kita
In
lihat.
2011, this is just basically a little over 2 years that the company was in existence. We were number 82 in the ranking of companies.
Di tahun 2011, hanya 2 tahun setelah kami buka, kami ada di ranking nomor 82 dunia.
Wendy Lewis, one of our founders,
Wendy Lewis, salah satu pendiri kami,
was named one of the top 20 most influential women in the industry.
terpilih sebagai salah satu dari 20 wanita berpengaruh di
This is
industri.
just 2.5 years into the operation of the company.
Ini baru 2,5 tahun umurnya.
So if you're wondering if you're in the right place, I think this says it all.
Jika Anda masih bingung apakah Anda di tempat yang tepat, ini sudah jawabannya.
Then what happened? 65 million to 126 million in 2012.
Dan 2012 mencapai penjualan 126 juta dolar.
We went from number 82 to number 78 in terms of ranking.
Dan tahun itu juga naik peringkat menjadi nomor 78.
And we got a Rising Star Award, which was one of the fastest growing companies in the industry.
Mendapatkan penghargaan Rising Star sebagai salah satu perusahaan tercepat.
Look what happened next.
Dan lihat berikutnya.
In 2013,
Di tahun 2013,
257 million.
257 juta dolar Amerika.
Pretty impressive, huh?
Sangat membesarkan,
You
bukan?
want to be part of a growing company like this? You want to know what happened in 2014? Yes?
Ini lihat 2014.
I'm going to tell you anyway. I joined the company.
Tahun itu saya bergabung dengan perusahaan ini.
Well, in 2014, we went to number 46 in the BSN ranking.
Dan di tahun 2014 kami menduduki peringkat 46 dunia.
Wendy Lewis was named Woman of the Year.
Wendy Lewis terpilih sebagai wanita tahun itu, Woman of the Year.
And we were the fastest growing BSA company on the Inc. 500 list, number 256.
Dan terpilih sebagai perusahaan direct selling yang paling cepat pertumbuhannya
6 American Business Award, 12 Telly Awards. These are marketing awards.
di majalah Inc. 500 dan meraih 6 penghargaan dan 12 Telly Award.
Let me show you what our company is all about when we do events.
Mari kita saksikan berikut ini.
Cotai Arena, Venetian Macau. Everybody's getting set up. See backstage what's about to happen. All the people are starting to arrive. All the Jonas family are getting registered. We have a sold-out event.
completely different than you've ever seen before. One of the main components of the evening was our new partnership for Jeunesse Kids with a company called Free the Children. And Jeunesse announced that we're actually adopting a village in rural China. So you all have the ability to participate by donating to Jeunesse Kids to help this incredible cause.
That was 14,000 people last year in Macau.
15.000 orang hadir.
And we gave away 5 Mercedes-Benzes. 5 Mercedes-Benzes.
5 Mercedes dibagikan.
And one of those individuals was also from Jakarta.
Dan pemenangnya salah satunya dari Jakarta.
So everyone's got that opportunity.
Jadi semua orang mendapatkan peluang yang sama.
This year, we are doing our meeting in September in Singapore.
Tahun ini kita akan mengadakan acara yang sama di Singapura, September.
So if you're serious about this business, I would ask yourself the question, you can't afford to miss this.
Jika Anda serius mengenai bisnis ini, Anda tidak boleh kehilangan untuk tidak hadir di acara ini.
So as we look at the growth,
Dan kita
in
terus berkembang.
2014, your company went to 417 million.
Jadi tahun 2014 penjualan mencapai 419 juta
And we were
dolar.
so thrilled, we were excited.
Kami sangat exciting dengan ini.
But wait, there's more.
Tunggu, masih ada lagi.
We were ranked number 38
Kita ada di peringkat nomor 38 dunia
in just 5 years.
dalam waktu hanya 5 tahun.
And then what happened?
Lalu apa yang terjadi?
We got Stevie Awards, we got a whole bunch of different marketing awards. We were just recognized all over the industry.
Kami meraih banyak penghargaan yang membuat kami
We were the talk of the town.
Kita adalah yang di puncak.
Then what happened?
Lalu apa yang terjadi?
In 2014, we were at 417 million. This year, your company, which is 6 years old, will do $1 billion.
Tahun 2014 lalu kita mengumpulkan 400 lebih dan di tahun ini perusahaan Anda ini akan menjadi
As
1
Scott
miliar
shared,
dolar.
the month of June, we had $120 million month.
Di bulan Juni sendiri lalu kita mencapai penghasilan 120 juta dolar dalam 1 bulan.
All we need to do between now and the end of the year is 92 million
Dan hingga akhir
per
tahun,
month.
dan hingga akhir tahun ini akan terus bertambah.
And as the company is growing, it continues to do a lot more than that.
Tapi kami harus membesarkan banyak hal.
What's next? I want to share a little bit about Scott.
Saya ingin berbagi, saya akan pastikan berikut ini.
Distributors, spending time in the local markets, getting their feedback, and really getting to see them grow within the business. For me, that's energizing, that's invigorating. You just want to work, you want to be more productive, more efficient, because ultimately our efficiency at the company translates to the support our distributors are getting so that they can build their businesses successfully and change that many more lives around the world. Living a healthy lifestyle is, I think, extremely important. I think health is the biggest blessing we have in life, and we can never take that for granted. I can definitely say that we function a lot more efficiently and we're a lot sharper when we get the gym in every morning. When I think about family and I think about the Jeunesse family, it really comes down to trust. What comforts us is that we can trust our families. That's really where the family culture starts. I always remember something my mom would tell me is always staying true to your roots. Your roots will always keep you grounded in life, and that's something I never forgot. No matter how successful we are as a company, I firmly believe in the importance of just remaining humble. A lot of people look at our growth and our success and it's kind of, wow, look at what this company is doing. But I think we've only scratched the surface of our potential. So for me, that's exciting, it's inspiring, it's motivating. I'm extremely passionate and proud of the culture we're creating, providing that equal opportunity where people can really tap into something special and become a part of this amazing culture of Generation Young. I truly believe in being a student in the industry and leading this company in the future. I'm fully confident in the direction, the growth curve, the leadership that we have. These are the people that we're going to lock arms with to create that multi-billion-dollar brand, to change millions of lives. When I think about short-term goals, really it's about continuing to develop our distributors, embracing them, helping them achieve their goals. Long-term, we are focused on creating a multi-billion-dollar brand and really creating a household name throughout the world. We just launched Jeunesse Kids a little bit over a year ago. The results, the support has been tremendous all around the world, and I know we've truly only begun to see the potential of what we can collectively do as a company and as a Jeunesse family.
I feel very fortunate and very proud to see that and be able to help more around the world to really change life. It's for me a blessing just to be able to be part of a cause like this.
I believe that ultimately things happen for a reason, and as long as you maintain your integrity, you stick to your values, you treat others as equals, and you operate with a servant's heart, a servant leader, that will be destined to do great things in life.
This is not business for us, this is our life. We open our life to them and they open their life with us, and we share all this dream together.
And we have fun with the business. We travel the world with thousands of our Jeunesse family. We laugh together, we cry together, we celebrate together, and we really have a first-class experience. I'm a big believer of unity, one unified focus, a unified vision, because we are one family. We have one mission, and the vision is crystal clear. We know that we're creating a global giant, one of the great legacy companies of the industry. I love Jeunesse, I live Jeunesse, and we are Generation Young.
Your perspective of what Scott's views are, and what he thinks in terms of strategy of the company. Having fun?
Yes. Senang-senang?
If you're serious about this business, I want you to mark these dates.
Jika Anda yang serius dengan bisnis ini,
October 30th and 31st.
30 sampai 31 Oktober,
I will be back.
saya akan kembali.
Our diamonds will be back.
Saya ingin sekali untuk kembali lagi.
We'll be celebrating what I would call the celebration of you.
Saya akan hadir di acara untuk merayakan Anda semua.
At our Sapphire Night and our Star event.
Sapphire Night dan The Star.
So please join us for that.
Silakan bergabung dengan kami.
You know, one of the things we do very well as a company is we do trips.
Hal yang paling baik yang kami lakukan saat ini adalah
How many of
perjalanan.
you like to go on a plane?
Siapa yang ingin jalan-jalan?
How many of you like to go on a, keep your hands up, how many of you like to go on a plane when someone else pays for it? How many of you like to go on a plane when someone else pays for it and you have a vacation? All the hands. Well, that's what Jeunesse does very well. We provide experiences of a lifetime.
Itulah yang Jeunesse lakukan dengan luar biasa, pengalaman perjalanan.
Just recently, we took our diamonds. These guys sitting in the front.
Baru-baru ini kami mengajak semua para diamond yang duduk di depan ini
On a 10-day excursion to Tahiti on a cruise.
10 hari perjalanan ke Tahiti cruise.
Pristine waters, just beautiful scenery, and just a lot of bonding together.
Tempat yang luar biasa.
You too have that opportunity to be a part of these trips.
Anda pun bisa memiliki kesempatan itu.
We create a lot of memories. We create a lot of memories.
Kita banyak menciptakan banyak kenangan.
And then we've got, this is our Diamond Discovery trip last year, where we went to the Mediterranean.
Dan ini perjalanan Diamond Discovery tahun lalu.
And this is some team building that went on in Africa. Sorry, Dubai. This is Dubai.
Di Dubai.
And this was a trip where we had, I would say, about 5,000 Jeunesse people come to this trip.
5.000
from all over the world.
mitra Jeunesse hadir di acara ini.
5,000. How many do we have from Indonesia?
Berapa orang dari Indonesia?
No, how many, Harry? Make up a number, they won't know.
200.
Huh?
200.
200?
200.
200 people from Indonesia. I mean, you didn't make that up either, right? 200. So you had that opportunity. Last year, we took them to Alaska.
Tahun lalu kami ke Alaska.
This is another trip. I'm trying to see where this is. This is Riviera Maya. This is the one we did for the U.S.
Ini yang perjalanan yang lainnya ke Riviera.
So trips are part of our culture.
Jalan-jalan adalah budaya kami.
Our events.
Kami yang terbaik.
It's something you don't want to miss.
Sesuatu yang kami sangat ahli.
Then we've got something called the Emerald Experience.
Dan juga ada yang namanya Emerald Experience.
And what we do is every year, all new Emerald directors
Dan setiap tahun semua Emerald Director
get to go to Hawaii
pergi ke Hawaii
at the company's expense.
dengan dibiayai oleh perusahaan.
Our offices are growing daily. Our products are great. Our sales are great.
Kantor kami tumbuh setiap tahunnya seluruh dunia, produknya luar biasa dan terus bertambah.
That's our company, folks. That's what we're all about.
Itulah mengenai kami. Bapak Ibu sekalian.
So if you're still thinking that this is not the company for you, if you're still thinking this is not the company for you,
Jika Anda masih berpikir ini bukan company buat Anda,
I'm sorry you feel that way.
saya menyesal Anda memiliki perasaan itu.
Because you are missing an opportunity
Karena Anda kehilangan peluang ini
that's knocking on your door
yang mengetok pintu depan
and
Anda
is waiting for you to take advantage of it.
dan menunggu Anda mengambil
These
kesempatan.
opportunities don't come over and over again.
Peluang ini tidak akan kembali lagi.
You are sitting on the ground floor of an opportunity of a company that's growing and the fastest growing company in the world.
Anda duduk di tambang emas ini.
So think twice.
Ambillah pilihan.
We're going to continue with the evening, but I want to thank you once again. I look forward to more Facebook friends, and thanks for having me this evening.
Terima kasih telah bisa hadir malam ini.
Wow, tepuk tangan buat Mr. Anwar Butani. Waduh, Pak Robin, legend saya ini melihat Diamond pada jalan-jalan ke Tahiti, ya.